So I'm back at my beach house after my little adventure. Hiya, Huns. I'm back after my vacation with my dream boat, who turned out to be a sinking ship. I boarded a flight for Phoenix in first class, of course, where he supposedly had a business conference, and he said he was already there and would meet me at the hotel. It was a nice place, and I relaxed and did vacation things, which was great. I needed the break, but he never did show up. Turns out he's this local loser who had a crush on me and who had stolen his father's credit card. The investigators saw our communication and that I was not involved, so I got a free vacation. He's in the slammer, and a couple of those detectives are kind of cute, so no harm done. Back to the drawing board. Speaking of the slammer, my stepmommy is still on the lam. Don't worry, I'm keeping my doors and windows locked. My daddy claims he hasn't seen her, but I'm avoiding his house until they find her just in case. By the way, I added an ounce of Stone's ginger wine and a squeeze of lime to my Franzia Merlot today, and it's really good. You should try it. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for dropping by, and I'll see you again real soon.